We're going inside the Maggi manufacturing plant to reveal the incredible process that turns simple ingredients into the...
It all begins with high-quality wheat grain. Carefully selected and delivered to the factory,
Every batch of flour goes through strict quality testing in the lab to ensure it meets the perfect standard before production begins.
The flour is mixed with water, salt, and special ingredients in giant industrial mixers.
The dough is then kneaded for several minutes until it reaches the perfect texture and consistency for noodle making.
Next, the dough passes through a series of heavy rollers that gradually press it into perfectly thin, flat sheets.
After steaming, an automated machine folds the noodle strands into the iconic square block shape we all recognize.
The noodle blocks are then deep fried in hot oil. This process removes moisture and gives Maggi noodles their...
Watch as perfectly golden, crispy noodle blocks emerge from the fryer, each one uniform in size, weight, and color. The hot fried noodles then travel along a long cooling conveyor, where industrial fans bring them down to room temperature.
Meanwhile, in a separate section of the factory, the secret masala blend is being prepared. A precise mix of spices, salt, and flavor enhancers.
The spices are blended in giant rotating drums until they form a perfectly consistent, aromatic masala powder.
The iconic yellow and red Maggi packaging film is loaded into the automated wrapping machine's Karelin, ready to seal in freshness. The noodle block and masala sachet are automatically placed together and sealed inside the branded packaging. Every single packet is then stamped with the manufacturing date and expiry date to ensure complete traceability and freshness. Each packet passes through a powerful metal detector, a critical safety step that ensures no foreign particles have entered during production.
An automated sealing machine tapes every carton shut wide, securing the product inside for safe transport.
And just like that, from wheat grain to your kitchen, Maggi noodles begin their journey to millions of homes around the world.